Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome yellow screen on Infinix Smart 8 easily guys. So if your screen suddenly become yellow like this, don't need to be worried and panic because I will show you the tutorial to overcome it. Okay guys, so the first thing first that I have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then here you can scroll down a little bit and go to display and brightness, and here you can scroll down a little bit and then you can go to eye care. Okay guys, so if your screen suddenly become yellow, maybe because you accidentally activate this feature guys, so now you can turn it off. And yeah, the screen will return to white as before guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to overcome yellow screen on Infinix Smart 8. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. And thank you so much for watching.